If you're looking for double buckle women's sandals, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 double buckle women's sandals. Number 1, most popular, by Cambridge Select. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by SNJ. Number 3, by Bamboo. For more info about these great sandals, just click the circle. Number 4, by Nature Breeze. Number 5, by Refresh Footwear. Find these double buckle women's sandals at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by VLLY. Number 7, by Skechers. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Outwoods. Number 9, by Cambridge Select. Discover more double buckle women's sandals ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Viva.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.